Capturing the design history file and device master record are just two examples of documentation structures that are required by regulatory bodies. They are associated to a device or a product, and we must be able to capture changes to them. To avoid this being a manual, tedious work, a solution will of course need to handle this and keep track of every change and every baseline. But several of our customers find that there will be other documentation structures, for example a technical file, that also have to be managed like the DHF and the DMR, depending on which territory you are operating in. In a company, the team are working on the design of a new respiratory ventilator. As you can imagine, developing such equipment is a very complex project, and having full traceability of what was done by who, what was changed with what, is crucial, not only for getting ventilators to the market faster, but also for getting the required approvals from the regulatory bodies. In this company, project changes are not a nightmare anymore. Let's see how Minerva PLM actually supports them. Today I am going into my project and start working on the patent filing for my ventilator project. What I do is that I go to the project and I open it to go and find the deliverable matrix and identify where is my patent filing. When I open the project, I can see that many of my documents, deliverables, have not yet been created. I can also see which product they are actually which product is being created by this development project. And of course, these deliverables should then also be part of the DHF and or the DMR for this product. So if I open the product, I can see I have two tabs. I can open the Design History File tab, and in there I will see the automatically generated DHF for this ventilator. As I can see the project status of each of them, and if I look at the patent filing, I can see that that is pending. It's supposed to be done by September 4th, and it has not yet been created. If I now go back to my project, I can search for my patent filing. It will then search through my grid, and I can see that in the phase concept is where I have it. I see I have the line for the deliverable, but it has not yet been created. By clicking Instantiate, the system will go in, fetch the template for the patent filing, and automatically create the document for me. As you can see now, this document has been created automatically from the template for the patent filing. If I look at the DHF in the project context, I can now see that the patent filing has been created. The entry in the DHF have the document related to it. If I go back to the part, I can see that on the DHF tab for the part, I also have the patent filing created. So automatically the DHF is updated based upon what I do inside of my project. This makes it much easier for me to make sure that everything is aligned and correct.